think a lot has been said already. So all I can say is it's an honor and an absolute privilege to be a part of this initiative because, you know, a campaign begins with a good team, but generally not necessarily ends with great results. But I think the team that is here on the dais is a team that should see this initiative successfully through. People who matter, people who want to make that difference. And of course, Mr. Milind said a lot. I've interacted with him before, and I know he's a man that keeps his words. When he started saying about, when he started mentioning that big cars would also be towed, it set a fear in my heart because I know he's going to do what he says. So, sir, I will follow the rules. I try to follow the rules most of the time. Rather, definitely do follow the rules. देखिए, fortunately, नहीं कभी नहीं, मुझे टिकट तो कभी मिला ही नहीं है और genuinely नहीं मिला क्योंकि मैं believe ही नहीं करता fast driving में, मैं believe ही नहीं करता rules तोड़ने में. कभी कभार ड्राइवरों से मिस्टेक हो जाती है. पिछला अगर एक्सीडेंट कहीं हुआ था तो शायद मेरे गाड़ी का BST के एक बस के साथ हुआ था, लेकिन मेरा ड्राइवर का कहना था कि वो सही रास्ते पे था और BST का ड्राइवर गलत था. अभी दोनों के बीच में ना मैं गाड़ी में बैठा था, तो अभी केस चल ही रहा है. तो जब उसका रिजल्ट आएगा तब मैं बता पाऊंगा कि कौन गलत था और कौन सही था. बेसिकली आबादी भी इतनी है, लोग भी इतने हैं कि हर एक चीज़ को इसमें इन्वॉल्व होना पड़ता है. लेकिन पर्सनली मैं गाड़ी खुद चलाता भी नहीं हूँ. ये नहीं कि गाड़ी चलाना नहीं आता, बट आई प्रेफर ड्राइवर ड्राइविंग क्योंकि मैं सोचता बहुत ज़्यादा हूँ और सोच और गाड़ी चलाना साथ में होता नहीं.
The app is also called Street Smart, Street Safe. And I think they've done very well to choose a very responsible and concerned citizen like Mr. Sunil Shetty as brand ambassador. So I think it's an amazing initiative and I'm very happy to be here today. And I think the next 3 weeks there's going to be a lot of awareness and a lot of wonderful initiatives being spread through this campaign. Thank you. Very, very impressed with this initiative from the Mumbai Traffic Police and Top Gear. Street Smart, Street Safe. There are actually many aspects to it, and I think this first one of decongesting Mumbai, encouraging carpooling. When I was in school, all through my schooling years, it was 4 kids and me, and we all traveled together to school, and that just means 4 less cars on the road. That apart, there's traffic angels where volunteers come forward and make sure there are no jaywalkers. The pedestrians are not just protected but are also made responsible. Lots of lovely aspects, and I think the one that is the most interesting is and especially for a woman, is the launch of the mobile app. All of us have been affected badly by traffic often in the city, so there is of course Google Maps that shows you the kind of traffic there is in various parts of the city. You get live Twitter feeds as well, but the best thing about that app is a woman can send an emergency alert to 3 of her contacts in case of an emergency, along with the last location that has been recorded by that app. So I think that is very, very useful for women.
देखिए, फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल है हमारा. रोड अच्छे रोड्स होना, रोड सेफ होने का मतलब ये है कि फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ दिखाता है. अच्छे रास्ते फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ दिखाते हैं एक स्टेट का, और क्योंकि हमारा ये कैपिटल है उससे मैच करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. देखिए, फ़िलहाल तो मैं उससे यही कह रहा हूँ कि बेटा गाड़ी सही चलाना, सेफ चलाना, रास्ते पे चलाना. फिल्म की बात अगली बार करेंगे. ये एक अलग इनिशिएटिव है विच इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. We'll talk about the film when it's time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.